Hello my lovely art clubbers, it's Sophie. Hope you're safe and well and enjoying the sunshine wherever you may be. Today we'll be making a karaoke microphone, which you can use on Saturdays from 2 till 3 at our Karaoke Kerfuffle Zoom sessions. Very exciting. For this art club, you'll need some foil, half a kitchen roll, some sellotape or PVA glue if possible, and a pair of scissors. Now it's quite fiddly with sellotape, so I definitely recommend PVA glue or maybe even Pritt stick. You'll also need some paint, a paintbrush and water, and some colourful scrap paper. Now it's time to paint your kitchen roll. You know what to do. Once you finish painting it all over the outside, you can set it to one side and leave it to dry. Tear a large piece of foil and mould it into a ball shape. So to do this, you're going to have to scrunch it up and roll it in your hands in circles to make a sphere. Once you've done that, take the rest of your foil and wrap it around the ball, moulding it in place with your hands. This will give it a neater surface. Well done. So your microphone head and your microphone body should look something like this. Next, you want to make some buttons. Grab your colourful scrap paper and cut out some shapes. I've gone for a circle, a heart, and a triangle. Once you've cut them out and glued them in place, it's time to glue the head of the microphone on. For this bit, you need to use quite a bit of glue around the top of the microphone and the bottom of the foil ball. You want to squeeze that ball down gently to secure it in place. Go over the edges with some glue if you need to, and then leave it to dry. Once that's all dry, it's time for some singing. Thanks for coming to Art Club today. Be sure to tune in next week when we'll be making a joke book. See you then!